this week's DIY. Now this is also the launch of a brand new series I wanted to start on my channel for 2018. It's titled As Seen on Social. So trends that I find on social media, any platform, if I can recreate it in a DIY, I'm going to make it for you. And some of these things might be a little bizarre throughout the year. If you think back to the trends that we saw in 2017, yeah, there was some weird things. But I'm gonna have some fun with this, and hopefully it will be a monthly series, but it possibly might not be, depending on what I am able to find on social media. So this one popped up on my Instagram feed. It was a sponsored paid ad, and there are beanies that have holes in them for people to be able to put their buns through them, and ponytails. It really seems like an unnecessary product because that's why I own a headband. And I wear it regularly. The only purpose I can find for this is that it actually covers your head a little bit more, so it might be a little bit warmer. Either way, don't buy one. It is so easy to make an old toque into this beanie that you can put your bun through. Let me show you. So you're going to need a old toque, scissors, needle and thread, and then also an elastic. Now, first off, we're just going to cut off the tip of the hood or the toque, and I'm cutting off the pom-pom here. Now, it's a very large hole, but it's okay. Flip your toque inside out, and we're gonna grab that elastic. Now, I doubled mine up. Might have been a mistake. It was very, very tight, but I thought it would be too loose if I didn't do this. So you're gonna push that fabric, that new opening, all through that elastic. It should look something like this when you're all done. And then we're gonna take the needle and thread, and we're going to stitch it into place. So that's gonna keep any of those edges from fraying. I found a thinner knit was probably a better idea for this instead of a chunky, thick knit. So once you've stitched it all completely, it should look something like this, and then you're going to flip it back inside out to hide all of that ugly mess. And there you can see the hole, and this is pretty much how I styled it. So you can do ponytail, you can do a messy bun, you can kind of just play around with it, just do whatever you like. So don't go out and buy one. Just make it for yourself, as you saw how easy that was to make. And maybe you think it's a little unnecessary because you already own a headband. I will say after wearing this for a little while, it feels a little bit warmer than a headband would be, so perfect for Canada. But if you do like this DIY and you attempt to make it yourself, send me some photos. I'd love to see your DIY skills. You can follow me at @JanelleSteeper on Instagram and on Twitter, and just make sure you tag me in those photos so I can check out your DIYs. Also, please let me know what you think of this series idea, As Seen on Social, creating or recreating social media trends for 2018, whether they be fashion or other things that pop up throughout the year. Let me know if you like the idea of this as a series. You can leave that in the comments below. And if you've already seen a trend that you would like to see me try and attempt to DIY, please leave that in the comments below as well. Always happy to take suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be back next Wednesday with a new DIY. Cheers.
Part of the clouds, I'm falling from above. It's got me thinking.